never leave you when you step out the field, it stays with you. But I learned how to fight back. This time the battleground's different. I'm growing, not taking Wepop Gardening. Listen close. I came back from the front, but the war stayed close. Thought the battle was over, but the pain still gross. The world was loud, but my mind was louder. So I turned to the earth, now I'm planting the power. I traded the rifle for a shovel in my hand. Used to fight with bullets, now I fight with the land. In the dirt I found peace, in the soil I heal.
It's time for an upgrade, fam. So, fine folks over there at VIVOSUN made a revision to the 4x4 Pro Kit, which, as you all know that have been here, we've been running that with them 200 watt Aero Lightwing LEDs. So now the Pro Kit comes with the Aero Lightwing 400. So it's referred to as the 400 AW. And the folks over there have sent this to me as a saving grace. A, for the kit, but also perfect timing because we just lost that light over there in the 3x3, fam. So I'm gonna make some moves on that and get that set back up here. But I wanted to bring this to y'all for the unbox. I am excited about this, fam. This light is humongous for a ballast. I love the fact that it's got the dual fans in it. Obviously comes with your user manual here and your connectors to set it up with the Grow Hub control, smart controller there that you can get on your phones, which I will again link that for all you new people coming through, new subscribers. Smash that like for me, y'all, before we get into this, and sell up if you're new, fam. Got a grow series on the Kongzilla that is down there in the archives. We'll attach that at the end too, so you can see what this tent will do for you. But I'm excited to get into this. This is packaged really well. I like this. This is a banging light, yo. I love the 200s. I can't imagine what I'm gonna think about this 400. Power cord comes on the right side here. This is slick, y'all. So look, fam, y'all, I'm gonna drop links down below like I always do. Put them in the description there. Go save yourself 15% using Wepop. If you're looking to get into growing, need some kits, they got some great pricing over there and some banging equipment. I don't know any lights on the market for this value that are performing to this level, fam. Whew. Look at that. Man, that's a slick looking light. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that beast. She's gonna open wide up. Bam. Oh man. That's a game changer, yo. The combination of the red, the blue, and the brighter LED lights are phenomenal. Silicone they use on these is epic. These lights run super cool at 100%. I can get them things within inches of the plant and not have a problem. So I'm excited to get this in the tent here and see what she'll do. Stay tuned, fam. We're gonna get this set up.
I'm not a soldier no more, but I fight every day. Growing from the dirt, that's the only way. No more flashbangs, no more loud gunfire. Now it's quiet in the grow room. What I desire, I put my heart in the soil, let the healing begin. This is the war I choose, this is where I win. From the war to the grow, I'm fighting to live, to the pain and the hurt, and I learned how to give. From the war to the grow, it's a different kind of fight. the plants, watch them rise, till my soul's in the light.
Alright, Cannon fam. We are back over here, set up and rocking in the VIVOSUN 4x4 Pro Kit. So there was an update for this year on the 4x4 Pro Kit. And this fam is now the new light. This is the Aero Lightwing 400. Comes with 2 fans, 2 built-in fans, just like they did. So you still got that breeze control, and this thing is kicking. Still got the full control as you did on the 200 watts. Just now you're running one awesome ballast for it. Still got the flexible sides here, so you can expand over your grow. And man, I can't wait to see what this is gonna do. So just wanted to give you guys this update, let you guys see the upgrade that VIVOSUN set us up with. And we're gonna see what this thing will do once we get those Colombian Gold set up over here. I got the tank cleaned up, sanitized. We are ready to rock and roll, fam. So, like I said, these stretched way out. Kind of embarrassed to show it. I literally just put them in there and let them go. So that was my bad. But I'm gonna get these buried up in here. I'm gonna dig deep for this one. But I think she's gonna be all right. Had this happen a few times where I just get lost in the day, so I'm just going to bury it a little deeper, put my soil around there. This is going to pack down a little bit once I get things situated there. But yeah, we're just transplanting out, yo. Getting them prepped to go on the 4x4. We got that all situated and cleaned up after the Kongzilla run, which I will attach that for y'all. Just stopping in, you can go check that out. Turned out pretty good, pretty good. I'm gonna do an update video on that for the final weigh-in. Do a smoke report for y'all here soon. But you can check that out, and yeah, we're gonna be all right. So this is that one I was talking to y'all about on the live. I got 2 beans in one. Didn't think they were both gonna take. They're growing pretty equal, but I've been well advised not to do that. So I'm hoping I can back these plugs out without stressing the plant too much. So I'm gonna try to tear into this a little bit. And I want to do this before the root system gets too massive up in here. That's why I'm transplanting these early. It's just so I can not have issues. But y'all see how this is embedded already in the Q plug? I am not going to take this out. Like, it's gonna end up tearing it up, and I don't want to have issues with it. So this one I'm actually gonna put over here in the Gaia bucket. I'm gonna get this deep down in here too, so we got plenty of space to support this, and hopefully she can establish herself pretty well. Spread out a little bit, start getting some good growth on it. So I'm gonna be getting these in the ground a little bit late, but it's kind of been too cold in the evenings here. We just started to break into decent weather. I should have jumped on this a little sooner. I just was I was uncertain of what strains I wanted to put outside this year. So I finally decided I wanted to go sativa. So I'm gonna try these and we're gonna see how they do here. I got a couple other things that I might be working on, some clones I'm gonna be picking up that I'll probably add to the mix, but I'm gonna run the 2 outdoor and then run the rest on the inside here. Because that's the thing, you never know what kind of year you're gonna have, especially where we are. You can have 4 seasons in one day. It's kind of crazy. But just want to get these set up here and get them rolling so they can start getting solid growth. All right, fam. So we got these in here. Got them transplanted over and set up. Like I said, I'm trying 3 different pots. We're just gonna play around with it a little bit. It ain't gonna make much of a difference. It's gonna make me transplant them separately. I think I'm gonna end up with better growth out of these taller ones, but never know. We'll see what's going on. So anyway, I got the spray bottle here. Like I said, I'm gonna do a green rush with these. So because they're still at seedling phase, I'm literally just gonna spray this down. Now this water, this pH down, and I have Clonex in this. So this is gonna also help feed these and get them past the seedling stage here. So that way we can make it to veg, but this will give me all the initial nutes we need. And like I said, this is that re-amended soil. This is a temporary thing. Once I transplant them out of this is old re-amended soil. So there's honestly probably no value as far as it goes. There was worm castings in it. I got oyster shell flour. That's a previous video. I'll link that up there for you guys, or drop a card so you can go check that out if you want to. But there's not enough nutritional value as far as nutrients go in this for me to stress about putting the seedlings in it. And I wanted to show y'all you can cut some costs by reusing your soil a little bit. I don't advise doing it long term because, as you can see, we got a little bit of roots left over, which eventually is going to be a problem if you continue to reuse it. But this gets you through in a pinch. I'm going to get some new Pro Mix for these. Once we get past this stage and I got a transplant, we'll be putting them into much bigger pots with some fresh soil. So that way we got a really good growth right out of them. And like I said, I'm gonna put a couple of these. I'm gonna put one of these outdoor, maybe 2, either or. Stay tuned on that. That's gonna be the next grow series. I just wanted to get these rolling in here and get this series started because, like I said, the members have all wanted to see this one run. So stay tuned on it, and I'm gonna check back here in a couple days and we'll see how the growth's going. Much love, fam. Peace.